Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? I hope you are fine and enjoying your vacations. It's me, Miss Aima, and I am from Army Public School and College, Khanewal, Class 8, Subject English Language, Week 9th, and it's 16th July 2020, and this is a sex online sport program. Today we will talk about grammar topic, and that is okay, that is correlative conjunctions. So this is of unit 5, a place to live, language focus 1. This is lesson number 4, correlative conjunctions, and it's on page number 62. So kindly open page number 62. Yes, you can take your time. Okay, now I am going to discuss about objectives. That's what are the objectives of our today's lesson. For today's lesson, our objectives are we will be able to use correlative conjunctions in sentences. What we will be able to use? We will be able to use correlative conjunctions in sentences. Yes, this is our topic, correlative conjunction. So first of all, for if we come towards correlative conjunctions, first of all, we should know what are conjunctions. Yes, conjunctions are those words which join the sentence. Means they help to in joining the sentences like as, and, both. So these are all the conjunctions which you use in sentences to join the words in a one sentence. So if we talk about correlative conjunctions, so what are correlative conjunctions? Yes, correlative conjunctions come in pairs. They always come in pairs. And we have to use both of them in different places in a sentence to make them work. They get their name from the fact that they work together, co and relate, and one sentence element to an other. So this is the proper definition of correlative conjunctions. So what you got from this, that what are the correlative conjunctions, means they always come in pairs, they always come in two, and we have to use both of them in different places. For example, we can use them in a sentence to make them work, so that we can complete the sentence, so that they can work, to make them work, and they get their name from the fact that they work together. Co and relate. Co and relate. Co means, yes, as you know about co-education, means both boys and girls get their education together. So this is mean by co-education. So there is the word co. Co means both, two, and relate one sentence element to an other. So there are also different types of conjunctions. First one is coordinating conjunctions. Second is subordinate conjunctions, and third one is correlative conjunctions. So today our topic is correlative conjunctions. The third one is the main focus of today's lesson. Major correlatives. What are the major correlatives? Contrast, alternative, and addition. Neither, nor, either, or. Not only, but also, both, and. Comparison, condition, as, and whether, with, or. Fine. So this is the contrast, these are alternatives, and then it's addition. Okay. Either, or, neither, nor. Not only, but also, both, and. So you can see a cycle here. These are interrelated and how they relate with one and other. Means if we use either, we can use or, both, and, not only, but also, and neither, nor. Neither, if we use neither, means nor. Okay. Co means work together. As I have already discuss with you that what is meant by co, as I give you an example here, that co-education means you got your education together, boys and girls. So co means work together. Relate, what is meant by relate? One sentence element to another, means it's related to another, it linked to an other. So this is the meaning of relate. Correlative conjunctions. Team. Tag team conjunctions, coordinating conjunctions. Most popular connectors. Okay, in conjunctions you can observe this thing, that what are the most popular connectors. Yes, we always use both and. Yes, we use both and. These are the most popular connectors which we always use to join the sentences with one another, and we can use them to join the words with one another. So these are the most popular connectors, and the most popular connectors are both and. As I use this time both and. Yes, so at this time, at this spot, I also use and for the connecting it with both. Yes, I also use this word and for connecting the word with both. So this is a live example for you. Most popular connectors. What are the most popular connectors? That are either or, neither, or whether or. So here you can see a picture. Excited, happy, and what they, maybe they got nervous. That's why they're feeling like this, or maybe they are in. They want to enjoy, so that's why. Okay, either or, whether or. In the picture, the cute dogs are happy. Okay, they are happy. They were happy, and we will feel that why they are in this condition. In the picture, the cute dogs are excited. So in the picture, the cute dogs are either happy or excited. Yes. So what we feel, either they are happy or excited. So you can use either or. In the picture, the cute dogs are whether happy or excited, whether or. So you use these both connectors, whether or either. Okay, blah blah blah, big heading, neither nor, boring, self-centered. Neither nor. A good teacher is not boring. A good teacher is not self-centered. A good teacher is neither boring nor self-centered. Yes, these both statements are related with the good teacher, that he is neither boring and he is neither self-centered. So as we know that that teacher is a good teacher, which involves the class in his lecture, whose class centered is not himself, but the class centered is the students. So that is a good teacher who always gives the main focus towards the students. He didn't just talk himself, but he involved his students. He always encourage his students to talk. So that is a good teacher. Most popular connectors. Not only, but also. Not only, but also. English offers various opportunities in the world. Not only, but also. English is an interesting subject. English offers various opportunities in the world. Not only is English an interesting subject, but it also offers various opportunities in the world. So here you can see not only, and but, and also. So these are all the connectors, correlative conjunctions. As and as, MMSU up, prestigious. Yes, MMSU is prestigious and up is prestigious. MMSU is as prestigious as up. Yes, good example here. So correlative conjunctions rules: verb agreement, pronoun, antecedent agreement. Verb agreement. Singular, singular. Plural, plural. Singular and plural nearest the verb. McDonald's and Jollibee. Either Jollibee and McDonald's are the singular is equal to singular. Number one chain for kids. Either Jollibee or McDonald's is the number one fast food chain for kids. So yes, here you use are and is. Are for plural and is for singular. Plural is equal to plural. Neither chocolate cakes nor vanilla ice cream are the food diabetics want to eat. Yes, it's a fact. Chocolate cakes and vanilla ice creams are the food diabetics want to eat. Those persons who are the food diabetics, who are the diabetic patients, they always want to eat sweet things like chocolate cakes and vanilla ice creams, but they should not. So neither chocolate cakes nor vanilla ice creams are the food diabetic want to eat. So they should not want to eat these sugary and sweety things. Singular and plural nearest the verb. Either Marin or is not to ride on the vehicle. Either Marin or the citizens are not ready to ride on this vehicle. Pronoun, antecedent, agreement, closer, and antecedent and pronoun. So for more information for the correlative conjunctions, so you can take these references and you can take the information from there. Now we come towards your homework assignment. Workbook page language focus 1 correlative conjunctions. Read the information box carefully. Exercise 1 complete the travel guide. Use either, neither. Whether to fill in the blanks. Complete the sentences. Use the words in brackets and either or, neither or, whether or. The first example has been done for you in the book 1 to 5. So you can take the help from that example. Write 3 sentences of your own using the following words either, neither, and whether. You make 3 sentences of these. Very easy task. You can do it very easily. That's all from my side. Thanks for your attention. Stay safe, stay home. Have a nice day.